funds rates by 0.75%. That is the largest increase in almost 3 decades in an effort to try and cool inflation. So what does this mean for you? That is the big question. CPA Kimberly Washington live in studio to break everything down for everybody. Kim, big talker here. First question, explain what this means for everybody.
Right. So, of course, it depends on your personal situation. But if you're someone right now who has a mortgage, it may impact you. Now, keep this in mind. The federal interest rates does impact you as it relates to mortgages such as adjustable mortgage, or also in the case if you have a home equity line. However, if you have a fixed mortgage rate at this time, it will not impact you. So you do want to keep that in mind. But interest rates are up, of course, for a 30-year mortgage at this time. You're going to pay about 6%, opposed to last year, it was about 3%. So you are going to be impacted in that way. When it comes to your credit cards, keep in mind your payments may also increase. A majority of credit card companies actually use or tied to a variable interest rates, which simply means as interest rates continue to rise, so will the payments. Therefore, the cost of your credit cards will cost you more. So this, of course, is a good time to start looking at your credit card debt and determine some ways, of course, that you can pay it down. But not all bad news when it comes to your savings. As interest rates go up, so does your savings rates too. They're going to expect to rise. As of now, many people may know that you may not get as much as you want when it comes to your interest rates in your savings account, but the good news is that it will increase. Some things that you do want to look out at this time, you want to go to different websites that may be able to help you to find the best interest rates for your savings account. There are 2 different ones that you can look at, which are really cool. One is called mybanktracking.com, and the second one is called bankrate.com. So you definitely want to look there. But of course, something else that you want to look at, and it's something that we talked a lot about on this show, is the Series I bonds. You definitely want to head over to treasurydirect.gov because those bonds are now paying 9.62%. So that's a great tool right now if you're looking somewhere to park your cash.
Oh, wow, good advice. Everybody's looking for that right now.
Yes, they are.
All right, as always, great advice. Let people know where they can find you on social media.
Definitely at Kim Sense everywhere on social media.
All right, Kim.